Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see, suppose here I am opening my website. Here this is my website gullyservices.com. Here you can clearly see that there has been a critical error on this website. So now we will fix this error. Open your, here I am using Hostinger. So I will open my Hostinger dashboard. In the Hostinger dashboard, go to websites list, and go to dashboard, and then go to WordPress overview, and here you can see that AI troubleshooter. Click on that, and below you can see that after analyzing your website we found 500 error. So here already Hostinger AI has found an error regarding my website. So here by using AI you can simply fix that error. So simply fix my website. So it will take some time, nearly 10 to 15 minutes or nearly half an hour, and then your website will work as usual normally without losing any data. So now after 35 minutes you can see that 500 error is successfully resolved. Check website. My website has been successfully recovered. So now you can see the full website. So without losing any data you can recover your website like this. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.